at Sydney's Darling Harbour at the new convention centre for the 2017 Sydney Motorcycle Show. Now Yamaha's stand has gone stratospheric this year. We call it Yamaha City, and there's lots of little villages dotted around where our customers can really feel at home and resonate with our product. Now where I am right here, this is the blue and white walkway. We call it the Blue Crew Pathway. It charts a typical journey, a life journey for a lover of a blue and white world products. That's our R-Series road bikes, our WRs, our YZs and our fun bikes. Now as we progress through a typical journey, we might start off on the fun bike, we'll go to YZ, we'll go to an enduro bike, we might race a little bit on the R-Series road bikes, and then we end up right at the end at this aspirational machine here. Now this belongs to our Blue Crew ambassador, and there's none greater than this guy. We call him the GOAT, the greatest of all time, and we'll be revealing this very soon.
See